2 here, this is -1, this is 0. So it's going to go up. Make sure you include your arrows. Anybody having a real hard time with curves? They just get like these peaky mountains every time?
Good question.
Yes.
So what would you have to put in your calculator to get it so it matches up on the line?
To get it so that it matches up on the lines.
Like if you graph it and you put in the amplitude, which would be pi over 2, it doesn't like hit the line.
There is no amplitude. The amplitude for this one is 1.
Oh, I mean not amplitude.
Period?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I wanted to put this in my calculator, I would say I want it on my window to go left pi over 2. No, pi over 4, right, is where it starts? To the left. And it should go to the right pi over 4 to see if I'm right. And then what? It's supposed to start at -1. So I guess I'll go from -2 to 0 on the y min and max. Oh, I never put it in the y equals. It's like, what are you trying to graph? None of your business, calculator. 4x plus pi minus 1. There it is. That was -pi over 4 for my x min and +pi over 4 for my x max. My y min is,
Those lines, but shouldn't it match up with those? Is the same as ours or no?
no, because my tallies are pi over 8 every time. So they should
So
be
you gotta
matched.
change
So
that
if
to
you
pi
change your
over
x
8.
scale to pi over
Okay.
8, it will work. Okay. So raise your hand if you think this is easy. Okay, raise your hand if you would rate this on a scale of 1 to 10 at a 7 or higher. As far as difficulty goes, Kyle.
Difficulty?
So like difficult.
You think it's difficult. Raise your hand if you think this is difficult, like a 7, 8, 9 out of 10. 10 out of 10? Okay. So here's my plan, what I'm going to do. How about today, I'm going to make this assignment due on Friday. Right here. So how about we do this? This is a total of, these are matching. These are writing an equation, which we haven't tried yet, right? We've only like seen equations. And then the last 6 are making graphs. Okay, so the writing equation isn't all of those, but the last 6 are making graphs. So why don't you guys try the matching stuff tonight? Okay, your homework for tonight is just that 9 through 16. You can probably do it with your partner right now. Just matching the graph to the equation. And then tomorrow, I will do a couple of these problems with you at the beginning of the hour, writing an equation and drawing the graphs, okay? And then you can do the rest with your partner. You feel comfortable with that? But right now, you're going to try, this whole assignment is due on Friday, and you're going to try doing the matching problems with your partner right now, that 9 through 16.
Are they like the same thing that we did the other day where it's just like you write A, B, and C?
Right.
For the, alright.
So you might have to discuss which one's which.
I was confused, that's where we start. Yes.
We'll do more of this tomorrow.
Starting.
I'm putting the answers up here.
So the reason why I said
So we were
now
messed up
is because
because
I started my graph right there.
we started, well, I didn't know we had to, like, this is where we started.
You're starting
Like,
right
that's the
there.
starting.
Right, and the only reason that you started it there was because you put it in your calculator and then copied it.
What?
Why did you start there, though? Because, like, I would understand if you started your graph
Because-
there because you
because we
graphed
didn't-
it on your calculator
No,
and
we
then looked at
didn't.
it.
We didn't go the other way. So we did it like
So you started at pi over 8?
no, we started right here.
This is where it fully started for us right here. Because we thought, because the period's at the end, so that would be that. And then that would be
Oh,
your
no,
mid,
no, no,
and
it's a
that'd be that.
distance, the period is the distance of this whole thing, so since it shifted, it would have been here, right?
Yeah,
But then it shifted?
I didn't, yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
So, but either way, I started there, and then I went down. And then
I see what you're saying. So talk to your partner right now, go through 9 through 16 together, that's your homework for tonight. Anybody want a copy of my notes?
Just a little. Yeah. Right. Like I get this.